Now I'm in a booth here with Terry Iverson, and Terry's an author, as you can see from the books here displayed in front. And this is really interesting. I had a chance to speak with you a little bit before we started recording this, and you were telling me that this book is more than just a book on manufacturing. It's a lot deeper than that. Can you kind of go into that a little bit, and maybe even kind of tell me the roots from you deciding to write the book itself?
Well, my family's been in manufacturing for about 93 years, and I've been in manufacturing for 39 years. So throughout those 39 years, everyone's told me how hard it is to find skilled people for their machine shops, and what they're doing here at Cardinal is amazing. So probably 6, 7, 8 years ago, I started writing the book, and I wrote everything about all the different involvements I have in technical education and in the industry as a whole.
I can imagine there's something for just about anybody to pick up if they were to pick up this book and read through it, whether they're looking for manufacturing or parenting or just maybe being a little more whole as a person dealing with society and things like that. In writing this book, was there something in particular you can think of that you got out of it, you learned from writing it?
Oh, wow. Well, it was very gratifying, and I think most of what I learned, because I had so many involvements in high schools and technical colleges, is I really got out of an appreciation for all the different people I interviewed, and most of them, probably 40 out of about 48, were friends of mine, and I knew how special each of them were, but until I got their input on the different topics, I didn't really understand how deep they were as a personality and as a character until I got their interview. And so then that really made me confident that putting that information and their feedback into the book was really a value to me and to people that read the book.
It's really interesting, Terry. Where can folks find you, either online, or you said you're going to start kind of doing a book tour over the summer here? How can folks find you?
Well, we have a website called Champion Now. Champion Now is, the word champion is, of course, in the book, Finding America's Greatest Champion. But Champion Now is my 501c3, and it's an acronym. It's Change How American Manufacturing is Perceived in Our Nation. The now is the call to action, and writing the book was part of my call to action. So you can go to championnow.org, and then the book itself is on Amazon. So if you go into Amazon and type in Champion Now or Finding America's Greatest Champion, it'll bring up where you can get one on Amazon. Or on our website, we have hardcovers, and they can go on my website, and with PayPal, they can buy a hardcover. Anything that comes through Champion Now, I can autograph. Anything on Amazon, obviously, it goes straight out to the end user.
Terry, thanks so much for speaking with me today, and I wish you so much luck on the road this summer, and I can imagine lots of people are going to be excited to get their hands on a copy of this.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it.